Winter is coming! If I had $1 for every time someone said that to me since I've come in Canada, I'd be Mark Zuckerberg by now, the co-founder of Facebook and CEO of Meta. Now the truth is winter is coming. And while we're all getting prepped up with our winter puffer jackets and our woolen caps, we do need something sometimes apart from a piece of clothing to keep us warm from both outside and inside. And so today, I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect winter elixir in just 5 minutes. Wondering what is this magical potion, this winter immunity beverage that I'm talking about? It is none other than, drum roll please, Masala Chai. Some of you may already know about the soothing beverage and may have your own recipes and ways of making it. I would love to know your recipes and secrets, so do share them in the comments below. For those of you who don't know, Masala Chai is popular throughout South Asia and it originated from the early Indian subcontinent. Now, it is the most beautiful amalgamation of brewing tea leaves with milk and water and adding a little bit of sugar to sweeten the whole process. It is when you add aromatic herbs and spices when this concoction creates masala chai, which lends beautiful flavor to the soul. So let's get started. But first, let's review what all do we need to make this. So what we need is a pan, a functional stove, a spoon, a muddler, a sieve, and your favorite cup. So that's for the equipment. In terms of ingredients, come a little closer. You need water. You need all these herbs and spices. Let's start with this. This is green cardamom, which is called hari elaichi in Hindi. This is black pepper, which is called kali mirch in Hindi. This is ginger, which is called adrak in Hindi. These are cloves, which is called long in Hindi. This is cinnamon, which is called dal chini in Hindi. Along with this, you need black tea leaves. You need sugar. And last but not the least, milk. Today we will learn to make masala chai, measuring up to 1 cup. For 1 cup of masala chai, the first step is to take a pan and put 1 cup of water into it. After putting the water, all you need to do is put 2 cloves, 2 little pieces of black pepper, some cinnamon sticks, and you can muddle the green cardamom and add that to your tea. You can also add a few pieces of ginger to enhance your immunity. And then the main ingredient. You add 1 spoon of black tea leaves. Occasionally, you can stir all of this beautiful concoction and smell the aroma. Once this comes to a boil, you take 1/3 cup of milk and add it to this. And then you let your tea brew. And when you see that it has come to this level of boiling, is when you pick up your sieve and your cup and strain it and pour it. Our cup of masala tea is now ready. And just like sometimes you need your best friend to be with you, I take my masala tea with a whole lot of biscuits. It's time for tasting. Let's see if our masala chai is as beautiful in taste as it is in the aromas. See, wasn't that simple and full of aromas? Once you get a hang of it, you'll realize that making masala chai is a beautifully therapeutic process. And when you do let me know in the comments if your masala chai was looking just like mine or what did you do differently. I'm excited to hear your thoughts about this video and what part did you find easy, which one did you find difficult, and maybe just your suggestions for improvement. Just to recap the process, today you learned to make 1 cup of masala chai. We started with putting some water in a saucepan, then we added some aromatic herbs and spices, we let the water boil, then we added some black tea leaves and let it come to a full brew, and then we added a little bit of, say about 1/3 cup of milk and then sugar to taste. We stirred the entire concoction once in a while and then we let it brew and come to a good boil. Once that was done, we strained it and poured it in a teacup and voila! You were ready to sip on some magic. You can now save yourself from freezing thanks to this amazing winter immunity elixir and feel the cozy warmth. So what are you waiting for? Go on, make your masala chai. Winter is coming!